You're okay?
Yes.
Okay, so let us have here now the IPA 6. Okay, we are now in IPA 6 gang.
Okay.
Ông có dạ cô.
Mhm.
Gì? Thầy.
Okay. Okay, so we have here, we have here the phonetic diphthongs. Okay, please let us read this one, yeah? We have the word salt. Salt. Okay, salt. Okay, floor.
Floor.
Ball.
Ball.
Door.
Drawer.
This is bottle.
Bottle.
Box.
Box.
Dog.
Dog.
Shop. Shopping.
Shopping.
Okay, please read all by yourself, yeah?
Store. Floor.
Correct.
Board.
Correct.
Door.
Correct.
Bottle.
Correct.
Box.
Correct.
Dog.
Correct.
Shopping.
Oh, shop. Shop. Shopping.
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 Correct, Yang. Okay, very good. Okay. Let us hear this one as it is being read, and after we will read it. Okay.
1. The butter's too hard.
2.
2. I'd love to buy that carpet. 3. Their son's got dark hair. 4. I first met my husband in Prague.
Okay. So again, please listen and then after read it properly.
1. The butter's too hard. 2. I'd love to buy that carpet. 3. Their son's got dark hair. 4. I first met my husband in Prague.
Okay. Number 1, the butter is too hard.
The
The butter is too hard. Next.
The butter too hard.
I'd love to buy that carpet.
I love to buy that carpet.
Their sons got dark hair.
The son got dark hair.
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 Okay, it's not here. It's hair. Hair. Okay.
Hair.
I first met my husband in Prague.
I first met my husband in Prague.
Correct. Very good. Okay. Okay, we will read this. This.
Last.
Brother.
Brother.
Important.
Important.
Warm.
Warm.
Ant.
Aunt.
Top.
Hot.
Top.
Hot.
Okay.
That man. Take your seat. I do like there are a lot of beans in this room.
Okay, let us read.
That man is so rich.
Okay. What do you think is the correct? Can you tell me, Gyang, which is, or can you underline, which do you think is the correct word to have this one? Okay, number 1. That man is so rich or rich. What is the answer?
Rich.
Which
That's
one of this?
Rich.
This one, wait, how it?
Rich.
1 or 2?
Rich.
1
Two.
or 2? Wait,
Two.
1
Two.
or 2?
Two.
1 or 2?
Two.
1 or 2? Okay, which one? Number 1?
Two.
That man is so rich.
Okay, rich.
So rich.
Okay, this is rich.
Rich.
Rich. And this one is rich.
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 Rich. Rich.
Okay, that man is so rich. Rich.
Rich.
Okay, listen.
That man is
It's
so rich.
Rich. Okay, and this one, this is, you will read as rich. Rich. I can reach the star. Rich. It means you will get. That man is so rich. This one, rich, means money, a lot of money. Okay, this one, number 2. I'm sorry.
Take your seat, please.
Take your seat, please. What is the answer?
2.
Take your seat, please.
Okay, very good. Let me see the answer. Okay, this one. Take your
seat, please.
seat, please. Okay, this is seat and again.
Take your seat, please.
Seat. And this is sit. Seat and sit.
Sit.
Seat. Take your, if you will listen.
Take your seat, please.
Sit and sit. Okay. Take your seat, please. This one. You take your seat and please sit down. Sit down, it means I will sit down. Okay? Again, this is sit. 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 And this is sit. 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 Okay? Okay, again, Yang. Please read, Yang. Take. Yang. Take your seat, please. Okay, this is sit and sit and sit. Sit and sit. Again, Yang. Sit.
Sit and sit.
Oh, very good, Yang. Okay, number 3.
Are you still in love with him?
Are you still in love with him?
Love with him.
Number? What number?
2.
Okay, very good. It's number 2. This is still and still. Still and still. Okay, you will read this again. Still.
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 Okay. Are you still in love with him?
Are
Again.
you still in love with him?
Okay. So, again, this is still. Still, it means I get it. You steal my purse. You steal my money. Or you get it without asking permissions. Okay. Still and still. Okay. Next one, Yang. Number 4, Yang.
Would you like a piece of cake?
Would you like a piece of cake? What is the answer?
1.
1. Let me see. Okay, correct. Okay, this is 1. Peace and peace. Peace and peace. Okay, peace be with you. Okay, this one. Number 2 is peace be with you. And this is 1 piece. Peace and peace. Peace and peace. Okay, again, Yang. Let me see your mouth, Yang. Peace. Peace.
Peace.
Okay, correct. One more, Yang.
Peace and peace.
Okay, correct. Peace and peace. Peace and peace. Okay. There are a lot of... Okay.
There are a lot of beans in this room.
There are
a lot of beans in this room.
What is the answer? It is?
1.
1 or 2? Beans.
There are a lot of beans in this room.
Beans. What is 1 or 2?
1.
1, are you sure? The answer is? There are a lot of?
There are a lot of beans in this room.
Beans. Okay, there are a lot of beans. This is beans and bin. Bin. There are a lot of... Yang. There are a
There are a
lot of
lot of beans in this
beans
room.
in this room. Okay, this is beans and this is bin.
In.
Beans. This is beans. Okay, long vowel sound and the short vowel bin. Bin. Okay, this is beans
In.
and beans. Okay, long vowel and short vowel. Okay, the long vowel sound and the short vowel sound. The beans and the beans. The beans and the beans. The beans and the beans. Okay? Yes. Okay, we have here. Let us. Okay. 4 or 5. We have green.
Green.
Green. Okay. Pizza.
Pizza.
Okay. Meat.
Meat. Meat.
Okay. Meat and what's this?
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay. And 3.
Three.
Number 3. Green, pizza, meat, please, and 3. Number 3. Okay. Okay. Let us have this. Look at them. This is hand. 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 This is my hand. It's not hand. It is hand. Hand. And this is next. Next.
Next.
Next.
Next.
Correct. One more, Yang. Next.
Next.
Correct, Yang. Again, what is this? How you will read this?
Hand.
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 Hand. Correct, Yang. It's not hand, Yang, ha? Not hand. It's hand.
Hand.
Okay. Egg.
Next.
Okay,
Egg.
next. Egg.
Egg.
Many.
Many.
Back.
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 Oh, the same word hand. It's not back. It's back. Back. Okay. It's hand. It's back. Okay. You will pronounce it as back and hand, not on, back. Oh, it is. Okay. Okay, you have here, listen and choose. What do you think you will hear in the audio? Okay.
1.
I've bought a new pan.
Pan.
Okay, the
2.
answer is?
Did you see the men?
Man.
3.
Did you say and?
And.
Say.
4. I like the fatter cheese.
I like the father.
5.
Don't pet the dog.
6. These are bedclothes.
Bedclothes. The same. Okay. So can you please read? Yang, I've bought a new pan.
Pan.
Again, Yang.
I bought a new pan.
Correct. 2, Yang.
Did you see the man?
Correct, Yang. 3, Yang.
Did you see Anne?
Correct. Next, Yang. 4.
I like the butter cheese.
Okay, correct, Yang. Very good, Yang. Next.
Don't pet the dog.
Don't pet the dog. Next, Yang.
These are best clothes.
Okay, these are bed clothes. Bed clothes. Bed clothes. Clothes, Yang. Clothes. Okay, go, Yang. These are bed clothes.
These are best clothes.
Correct. Oh, it's not clothes, Yang. It's not clothes, it's clothes. Clothes. Always remember, bed clothes. Okay, again, Yang. Bed clothes.
Best clothes.
Correct.
Best
Okay.
clothes.
Okay, this one, Yang, can you read the difference? And pan. Okay, go.
And pan.
Man.
Man.
And.
And
Better, father.
better father.
Okay. Cat. Okay, please continue from the very beginning, Yang. Pen, pan.
Pen, pan.
Yes.
Man, man.
Man, correct.
An. Feather,
Father.
father.
Okay. Pet.
Cat, pot. Bed, bed.
Correct. Okay. So, Gyang, let us try since we are already IPA 6 and next time we're gonna have IPA 7. Okay. So, I am so happy, Gyang, because your pronunciations, the enunciations, and the softness of your tongue is quite improving now. So, let us have to do developing. Let us try to... Gyang, ha. Let us now. Let us now include developing in the lesson. So let us now start the conversation process. So as we have before, we have 6 lessons introducing the IPA. So as we introduce the IPA, let us also introduce now the new lessons, the developing lessons for you to enhance your speaking skills. So I am so happy that you will able to practice your tongue now. So at least 6 lessons for the IPA is still good enough. But don't worry, we still continue IPA 7, 8, continue. But we have to explore your developing skills, your skills in speaking. So you can speak up. Okay? Aside from pronunciation, you have to do it. Okay, this is actually the introductions. Okay, Yang, we have the word here. We have president. Okay, president.
President.
Okay, receptionist.
Receptionist.
Office manager.
Office manager.
Chef.
Chef.
It's not chef, it's chef. Chef.
Chef.
Yeah.
Chef.
Oh, correct.
Chef.
Chef. Oh, correct,
Chef.
Gang. Oh, chief is like this, Gang. Wait, Gang, ha, I will write. This is chief. The chief executive. And this is chef. Chef. Next is architect.
Architect.
Okay. Athlete. Athlete. Correct.
Athlete.
Mailman.
Mailman.
Okay, it's mailman. Mailman.
Mailman.
Okay, correct. Okay. Press again, Yang. Please read. President. President.
President.
Okay. Receptionist.
Receptionist.
Okay. Office manager.
Office manager.
Correct, Yang. Chef.
Chef. Chef.
Okay, correct. Architect.
Architect.
Athlete.
Athlete.
Mailman.
Mailman.
Correct. Very good, Yang. Yay. Okay. So another job is marketing assistant.
Marketing assistant.
Okay, assistant.
Assistant.
Oh, marketing assistant. Assistant.
Assistant.
Oh, assist. Assist.
Sao ngoài kia để cô học. Đi đi. Đi cô giáo mắng bây giờ. Tiếp.
Marketing assistant. How old are they, Gab?
Cô giáo mắng.
How old are they? How old? How old are they?
4 years old.
4 years old. Okay. Next, publishing company.
Publishing company.
Very good. Shop manager again.
Shop manager.
Shop director.
Shop director.
Okay, cigarette.
Cigarette. Cigarette.
Okay, cigarette. Do you know cigarette? The one you smoke. Next, okay. Marketing assistant, again.
Marketing assistant.
Assist. Oh, please.
Assist.
Assist.
Assistant.
Okay. Marketing assistant.
Marketing assistant.
Okay, correct. Next. We have here, gang. Let us listen this one. Please listen carefully with this conversation, and we're gonna talk it later.
Hi, are you Mr. Rashid?
Yes, I am.
It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm James Evans, president of Top Notch Travel.
Welcome to Top Notch. I'm Marie, the receptionist.
It's nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Paul. I'm a tour guide.
Glad to meet you.
Hi, I'm Cheryl.
The office manager.
Yes.
Pleasure.
Bob? Bob is
A chef?
No, Bob's not a chef. Bob is a doctor. No, Bob is not a doctor. Bob is not a singer. He's not an architect. He's not an athlete. Bob.
Hi. I'm the mailman.
This is Bob. Bob is
An actor.
Okay, so what do you think, gang, they're talking about? What do you think they're talking about? Yang?
Yes.
What do you think they're talking about? Okay, again, you want to listen again?
Hi, are you Mr. Rashid?
Yes, I am.
It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm James Evans, president of Top Notch Travel.
Welcome to Top Notch. I'm Marie, the receptionist.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Paul. I'm a tour guide.
Glad to meet you.
Hi, I'm Cheryl.
The office manager.
Yes.
Pleasure.
Bob? Bob is
A chef?
No, Bob's not a chef. Bob is a doctor. No, Bob is not a doctor. Bob is not a singer. He's not an architect. He's not an athlete. Bob.
Hi. I'm the mailman.
This is Bob. Bob is
An actor.
Okay, so what do you think they're talking about? They are having conversation about their particular job. Okay, they're having conversation about their particular job. What is their job? Each jobs, right? They're talking about their job. Their conversation about their job. Okay? So here, you can see in here, we have the conversation. Okay? I am James. Okay, so this one, me, this me, you, me, you, me, you. I will be the one to take first, read, and you will next, me next. Okay? Okay, gang? Okay. Hi, are you Mr. Rashid? Yang?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a pleasure to meet you. I am James Evans, president of Top Notch Travel.
Welcome to Top Notch Terror. It's Mary, the receptionist.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Paul. I'm a tour guide.
Glad to meet you.
Hi, I'm a Cherry.
The office manager?
Yes,
A pleasure.
Bob. Bob is
A chef?
no, Bob is not a chef. Bob is
Chef. Bob again? No?
no. Bob is not a chef.
Chef.
No, Bob is not a chef.
Correct.
Bob is a doctor. No, Bob is not a doctor. Bob is not a singer. He is not an architect. He is not an athlete. Bob.
Hi, I'm the mailman.
This is Bob. Bob is
The actor. Okay, so they are talking here about their jobs, right? Okay, who do you think is the office manager? Who is the office manager? The office manager is? Who is the office manager, Gang? The office manager is?
James.
The office manager is Cheryl. Okay. How about the receptionist? Who is the receptionist?
Trời ơi.
The receptionist is?
Mary.
Mary. It's Marie. Marie is the receptionist. Who is the president?
James.
James. Okay. This is James is the president. Marie is the receptionist. Okay. How about Paul? What is the work of Paul?
Tour guide.
Tour guide. And Cheryl, what is the work of Cheryl? Cheryl is the? What is the work of Cheryl? Oh, hi, I'm Cheryl.
Office manager.
Okay, office manager. Very good. And how about Bob? What is the real work of Bob? What is the work of Bob? Bob is?
An actor.
An actor? And Bob is really the mailman. Okay. He becomes an actor because he has a lot of things. The doctor, the athlete, architect, the chef. But Bob is really the mailman. Do you know mailman? Yeah. Do you know mailman? Do you know what is mailman? Mailman, this one. Do you know mailman?
Mailman.
Yeah, you know this? You know this job? Okay, do you know mailman? Do you know that job? Mailman is the one who send and receive letters. Mailman. Okay, if you have letters, the mailman will gonna give you letters. But now, it's rare to have mailman because now we already have internet. Okay, we don't need to write letters. No letters anymore. It's internet. Everything is in the internet, right? No letters anymore. Okay, so let us have here number 2. Let us lesson number 2.
Ready? Just a minute. Ready. Hello, my name's Helen. I come from London, but I live in Oxford. What else?
What do you do?
I'm a marketing assistant for a publishing company. I work in Oxford, but I sometimes go to the London office. I usually go to work at 8 o'clock, and I get home at 6:30.
Is it a good job?
It's a very good job. I really like it. What else do I like?
Đi rồi tin vui.
I also like good food.
Đây để cô đang học nữa này. Bật
I
thì
go to
to.
the gym at the
Đi thôi
weekend.
nha.
Oh, and I like travel. I love France and Spain. I speak a little French and Spanish.
What things don't you like?
Well, I don't like noise. Oh, and I don't like cigarettes.
Great.
You're welcome.
Okay, so this is, what is the name of the girl? The name is Helen. Okay, we have here the conversation with Helen. Okay, so Helen is from, where is Helen coming from? Helen is from?
London.
From London. Okay, what is the job of Helen?
Marketing assistant.
Okay, marketing assistant for publishing company. Okay, so let us read this one. I am letter A and you will be letter B. Okay, so ready? Your letter B. You read on letter B.
Okay.
Ready?
Just a minute. Ready? Hello, my name is Helen. I come from London, but I live in Oxford.
What else? What do you do?
I'm a marketing assistant for a publishing company. I work in Oxford, but I sometimes go to the London office. I usually go to work at 8 o'clock and I get home at 6:30.
Oh, is it a good job?
It's a very good job. I really like it.
Oh, what else do you like?
I also like good food. Teams. I go to the game at the weekend. I like travel. I love France and Spain. I speak a little French and Spanish.
What things you don't like?
Well, I don't like noise, or I don't like cigarettes.
Great.
You are welcome.
Okay, so let us have this. Okay, this one. Okay, so we have here the word marketing assistant.
Marketing assistant.
Okay, usually.
Usually.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Do you know usually? Do you know usually?
Yes.
Sometimes. Do you know? Sometimes? Okay, very good. Yeah. This one. Okay, this films.
Film.
Films.
Film.
Good food. Good food. Okay, good. That's good. Good food.
Good food.
Good. Okay. Gym.
Gym.
France.
France.
French.
France.
This is France, and the language is French. Again, France.
France.
French.
France.
Spain.
Spain.
Spanish.
Spanish.
Okay, speak. Speak. Okay, noise.
Noise.
Cigarettes.
Cigarettes.
Okay, like.
Like.
Okay, work.
Work.
Get home.
Get home.
Get home. Okay, very good. Yay, very good. Okay, let us move this one. Okay. I will ask some questions. Okay. Again, what is the name of the woman? What is the name of the woman?
What is the
Okay, what is the name of the girl? It is?
Helen.
Helen. Okay. So, what is the work of Helen?
Marketing assistant for a publishing company.
Okay, marketing assistant for a publishing company. What time does Helen go to work?
She go to work at 8 o'clock.
Okay, and get home?
And get home at 6:30.
Okay, very good. Okay. So, what are the likes of Helen? What Helen likes?
She like good food and fish.
Okay, she likes good food. Okay. So, what are the things that Helen don't like?
She don't like noise.
She doesn't like.
She doesn't like noise. And cigarettes.
Okay, she doesn't like noise and cigarettes. Okay, very good. Okay, now please do this. Allow me to introduce myself. Okay, please introduce myself. Okay, your name, your job, the place you work, and what company you work for. What do you love, Gyang? What do you hate? Okay, go, Gyang.
My name is Zhang. I am a designer. I work in a publishing company.
I work for, what's the name of your company?
I work for a publishing company.
I love
travel and film, music, and swimming.
Okay. Wow. What do you hate, Jack?
I hate dirty.
You hate again? What do you hate?
I hate dirty.
Dirty. What else?
And
you hate dirty and what else, Jack?
And
only that? Only dirty? Oh, what you often do? Okay, this is your activity. What you often do? Do you go to swimming? Do you go to the gym or what?
I often go to walk around my house, and I often swimming.
I often swim?
Yes, I often go to swimming.
Yeah, go to swimming.
And sometimes I go to shopping with my friends.
Shopping with your friends. Oh, very good. That's very nice. You shop with your friends. Hey, so we have here, Gyang. Okay, this is the present simple review, okay? So when you say the statement, look at the statement. I am an engineer. Statement. Negative, when you say negative statement, I am not. Negative is not, okay? I am not an engineer. Okay, if you say questions, am I an engineer? Look at that, look at them. Am I an engineer? if somebody will ask you, I am an engineer. Are you an engineer? Am I an engineer? Oh, that is yes, you are, or no, you are not. Okay. Am I an engineer? Yes, you are, or no, you are not. This is the short answer. We call it short answer. If you think it's positive, yes, you are. If it's negative or not the correct answer, no, you are not. Okay. You are a student. Okay. You are not a student. Are you a student? Yes,
Yes,
I am. Okay. He is in the room.
He is not in the room.
Okay. Questions?
Is he in the room?
Yes.
Yes, he is.
Okay.
The
Yes,
person
he is. Okay. Next, she is my mother.
She is not my mother.
Again, she.
She is not my mother.
Okay.
Not.
Yes.
Is she my mother?
Is she, not she.
Is
She.
Yes. Is she my mother? She.
Yes.
She is.
Very good, Yang. It is a cat.
It
is not. It is not. Okay, go back.
It is not a cat.
Yay. Okay. It is not. Sometimes you mispronounce S as it. Or it is not cat. Okay. Question, Yang?
Is it a cat?
Correct, Yang. Yay. Yes.
Yes, it is.
Okay, I know it's hard with it and is. It and is. Okay.
Is.
Okay,
No.
we are friends.
We are friends.
Here.
Friends.
We
are
not friends.
Not
okay.
Friends.
Okay.
Are we friends? Yes, we are. No, we are not.
Okay. They are dentists.
They are dentists. They are not dentists. Are they dentists? Yes, they are. No, they are not.
Okay. So this table, Yang, we call it the review for present simple tense. Present simple tense. Okay. This is the short review for present simple tense. Okay. On Monday, we're gonna do exercise for this one. Let us try to do the exercise on Monday. Yeah, we'll have class on Monday, right? 8 p.m. Yang? Yeah?
In Monday, I have my I have a flight to Ho Chi Minh City.
Oh, you will go Ho Chi Minh City in your boyfriend?
Yes, with my boyfriends, because I don't study in evening Monday. We study in Thursday.
Thursday, okay. What time Thursday, Yang?
In the morning.
Ah, morning, okay. What time in the morning?
It 9 a.m. Yes, 9 a.m.
Yeah, okay. Oh. Sorry. I have class with 9 a.m. Yang. Sorry. What is your time?
Or today.
Tuesday?
Yes. Today.
Tuesday, 9 a.m. It's okay.
Yes.
9 a.m. is okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we will change your class. We will not have class with Monday anymore. Tuesday and Saturday. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Tuesday, 9 a.m. and yay. Tuesday, 9 a.m. and Sunday, 9 a.m. Okay, 9 a.m. Okay, yeah. Okay, so on Tuesday, gang, we will answer this. Let us see if you can apply grammar. Okay, so we are done. Again, teacher said we are done with IPA 6, gang. Very good. So after we finish this activity, we will go to IPA 7 and then we will go to developing 2. Let us apply speaking, grammar, and pronunciation for you. Okay?
Okay.
You're doing great, gang. Very good. The S and the it. Okay? The S and the it. Always remember that one. Okay? Chef, not cheap. Okay? Chef. Always
Chef.
remember that. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Very good. I can see. Very good, gang. We have 8 lessons and you're doing great. Great job, gang. I can see. Great job. The first time I met you, oh, it's really hard for me because you cannot speak well, and then your tongue is very, very hard. Okay, now you're doing great. Hey, that's improvement lang. Let's move on. Let's go and go for the goal. Okay? Yay. Oh, Miss Huyen is having what they call operation. The throat. Your friend. Huyen.
Yes, Huyền.
Yeah. Huyen. He is having operation and will going back to class this week. Next week, rather. Because she has operation. Okay? I will see you, gang, on Tuesday. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, gang. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, teacher.